Hi there. We hope that you and your loved ones are managing through this unprecedented time. Here in our home, we're trying to be grateful for little things. For instance, yesterday Michael ran out to grab some essentials and found these beautiful flowers. We love having splash of color in our home, reminding us that the spring is around the corner.
Meanwhile, the Bay Area housing market is still active. Open houses are canceled for now, but the demand is still there. Early in the week, we wrote an offer on a property in Cupertino, and we were competing with 10 other offers. As a result, this home sold at more than 10% over the asking price.
Since the beginning of the shelter in place order, the same question popped up multiple times. Will this situation lead to another housing crisis? Let's see. There are two fundamental differences between the time leading to the previous housing crisis in 2008 and now. First, the government learned its lesson from the previous crisis and this time started acting much faster. Federal authorities are implementing a 60-day moratorium on the single-family home evictions and foreclosures. States may enact even stricter measures, and New York is talking about a 90-day moratorium.
Second, homeowners behave way more conservatively with their mortgages. In 3 years prior to 2008 crash, homeowners borrowed $824 billion in home equity. In the last 3 years, 2017 through 2019, homeowners borrowed only $232 billion. On top of that, 37% of homes are owned free and clear, and another 16% on top of that have more than 50% equity in their homes. So it is expected that a much smaller percentage of homeowners will be pushed out of their homes due to foreclosures. The latest prediction from Goldman Sachs is that GDP will drop by 5% in the second quarter of this year. They also predict a very fast recovery, starting the third quarter of 2020 with 3% GDP growth, followed by 4% growth in the fourth quarter.
We want to report that real estate is open for business. We run virtual meetings, we do online showings, and we practice social distancing. There are people out there who do need to buy or sell, and the whole real estate system is ready for them. Banks fund loans, title companies issue title insurances, and counties do electronic recordings. The current situation is very dynamic, and we monitor it day by day and hour by hour. Some of our clients are continuing with their home search, and others decided to pause while waiting for more clarity in the real estate market direction and the economy overall.
We hope that in these difficult times, you and your family are safe, comfortable, and have everything you need. We're here for you. Whether you want to have a virtual cup of coffee, watch an old movie, or discuss any of your concerns. We're in this together. Keep in touch.